Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to find winning products on CG Dropshipping that's actually sell. Let's jump in. Step 1 is to browse trending products. Go to CJ Dropshipping and click trending products and look for high order volume, good reviews, United States and Europe warehouse tag. These are already proven to sell and ship quickly. Step 2 is to check TikTok Center if available. Use the TikTok Center to find viral products and look for high reviews and likes, products with strong visual appeal, and great for creating your own TikTok and ad campaigns. Step 3 is to use products with videos. Filter for products that already have marketing videos made, save time and money. You can use them for ads or product pages. If you can't find a product, just simply click sourcing and submit a link from Amazon or TikTok. CJ will try to find or list it for you, sometimes with private label options. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.